think it's been like 3 days without a walk in nature. Just a little bit of walking on the treadmill, but nothing like a walk through the nature. A couple days was due to rain. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow too. We had to do some little spring cleaning. I didn't walk, but I got to lift stuff and dust stuff, fix stuff, screw stuff, hammer stuff, that kind of stuff. Sometimes it's nice to do something. Doesn't require too much this here. Something that requires hands still. Oh.